guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Kitchen and Craft by Maggie. Magluluto tayo ngayon ng pork. So, makikita nyo ngayon, meron tayo dito mga sangkap na ating gagamitin. At samahan nyo po ako at ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano itong aking lulutuin dahil alam ko na magugustuhan nyo ito dahil napakasarap po at napaka-healthy pa sa ating katawan. So, let's go! We will start now our cooking. So, first ay gagamit tayo ng beef broth. Next guys, ay siyempre kailangan natin ng pork. So, kinat ko po na po siya ng medyo manipis ng konti. Next guys, ay kailangan natin ng boneless tomato sauce. So, ako na po yung gumawa ng boneless tomato sauce. So, hindi kasi akong gumawa ng mga homemade tomato sauce. So, ginawa ko, nag-adventure na naman akong gumawa ng boneless tomato sauce. So, ito ay ihalo natin to sa ating pork para maging mas lalong sumarap yung ating pork. Next guys ay onions. We will need garlic also. Then, we will need green olives or meron kayong black olives, maganda din. Pero wala kasi akong available na black olives. So, ito na lang yung aking gagamitin, yung green olives. Next guys ay cinnamon. So, gagamit ako ng cinnamon kasi gusto ko yung aroma ng cinnamon. At saka, kung sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, mas maganda po yung cinnamon sa ating health kasi marami siyang maitutulong sa ating kalusugan. So, i-check nyo yan po, i-search nyo lang po yan sa Google kung ano yung mga health benefits ng cinnamon. Then, gugamit tayo ng olive oil. So, yan lang po guys yung ating mga ingredients na ating gagamitin. So, let's go. We will start now our cooking.
We're both feeling guilty and scared that we might be fighting.
We met in a bar. At first I liked her smile. We laughed, we joked, had fun. I never thought that after all this time was spent, this girl would be the one. They can lend, we're borrowing a summer day, somewhere else to be. Lying here, we'll whittle little hours away, just you, the sun, and me. Rise to a smile, she likes to know her way is what tomorrow brings. The sun may set, but we're dreaming of a place to stay. We drift away and sang. They can lend, we're borrowing a summer day, somewhere else to be. Lying here, we'll whittle little hours away, just you, the sun, and me. Easy thinking, could we ever make a move on this? Easy thinking, but you never know what you miss. They can lend, we're borrowing a summer day, somewhere else to be. Lying here, we'll whittle little hours away, just you, the sun, and me. They can lend, we're borrowing a summer's day, somewhere else to be. Lying here, we'll whittle the hours away, just you, the sun, and me. It's where we're meant to be, just you, the sun, and me.
Okay guys, kakain na kami. Ito na yung aming lunch with nilagyan ko siya ng pasta. Yung pasta na ginamit ko guys ay parfalia. So ito ay sans gluten din ito na parfalia na bili ko. So halina po kayo, samahan niyo po kaming kumain. Napakasarap po guys. Promise po guys, napakasarap po ang ginawa ko. Kaya itry niyo po itong aking menu at sinasigurado ko po sa inyo na magugustuhan ninyo ito. So, ito na lang po yung aming magiging lunch. Sarap po guys. Masarap. Sobrang sarap. Gusto ng anak ko. Favorite ko itong itong olive. Mas masarap din yung black olive na gagamitin nyo. Ayan. So, kakain muna kami guys. At maraming salamat sa panonood niyo ng aking video. Hanggang sa muli po, meron na naman akong another na menu na isi-share sa inyo. So, abangan nyo po yan. At tsak na, magugustuhan nyo itong menu na aking isi-share sa inyo. Pwede nyo rin po itong gagamitin sa halimbawa kung may mga okasyon kayo, pwede po ito dahil easy lang siya lulutuin at napakadali lang po. So thank you so much guys and God bless po sa inyo. Bye bye!
Design.
taste the long embrace of the setting sun. Taste its warmth on your skin. One last exhale of a big ordeal in a